Quick update on our garden. Here's my Brussels sprouts. I think they're looking pretty good. I think we're going to be okay there. I went around and trimmed off all the frost damage and the plants around the outside that got damaged. And I think the rest of them are going to be okay. And my turnips here, I went ahead and pulled those up. I kept what actual turnips we had, and the greens I put in a bucket to give to the animals. I mean, you have to know when you're beat. Here are my collards. Again, I went through and I trimmed off all the frost damage and everything, and I'm hoping the plants will make a comeback. The bases look pretty good and some of the leaves are okay, so I'm hoping maybe. I mean, there's always hope. Here's where the baby turnips were, and you can see I just uprooted all those and broke it back up, get it ready for the next planting. The turnips did not make it. Now the greens that I cut and pulled, and frost damage and all that, I gave to our animals. There's a pile I gave to our Billy. There's Billy. I think he is evil incarnate. And over here is the pile I gave to our nannies. Now the goats, they've ate a few of them and got lost interest and went on about their business, but they'll eat some more. There's our nannies. There's Belle the Bottomless. And there's Bonnie. Looking fat and healthy. Here you can see that I gave some of the greens to the chickens. The chickens really appreciated them. And I'm telling you right now, chickens are better behaved than goats. I mean, look at these little guys. We have a really nice flock. We got rid of some extra roosters the other day and a little hen, and trimmed down the flock a little bit, and I think we're doing really, really well. Now, I was talking about chickens being better behaved than goats. While I was making this video just a while ago, I was in the chicken pen filming the chickens, and Belle the Bottomless came busting in behind me, so I had to stop the video and get her out. Here we go. To sign off, I guess we'll come over here and say hi to Belle. Belle's my buddy and a movie star. Anyway, guys, you guys have a good one. We'll see you later, home Bill.